Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your favorite apps. Today, we're diving into how to unblock someone on Google Meet in 2025. If you've ever accidentally blocked a colleague, friend, or family member and need to let them back in, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, especially with Google's updated interface for better user control. Let's jump right in. First things first, unblocking someone on Google Meet typically involves managing your Google account settings, as blocks are often handled at the account level. Start by opening your web browser and going to your Google account page. You'll need to be signed in with the account you use for Google Meet. Once there, click on the People and Sharing section in the left-hand menu. This is where Google keeps tabs on your contacts and blocked users. Next, scroll down to the Blocked tab. Here, you'll see a list of people you've blocked across Google services, including Meet. Find the person you want to unblock. Use the search bar if your list is long. Once you've located them, simply click on the Unblock button next to their name. Confirm the action if prompted, and voila, they're unblocked. Now, to make sure this works in Google Meet specifically, head over to the Meet app or website. If you're hosting a meeting, the unblocked person should now be able to join without issues. Remember, if they were blocked at the account level, this step should resolve it. If you're a participant and still having trouble, double-check that you're using the correct email or link. One quick tip for 2025. Google has made privacy settings even more robust, so keep an eye on your notification preferences to avoid future mishaps. And if you're dealing with someone disrupting your meeting, consider using Meet's mute or remove participant features instead of a full block. There you have it. Unblocking on Google Meet is easier than you think. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech guides, and hit that bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay connected and tech savvy.